I'm always petrified of getting off the lift.
This one's brand new.
This is the oldest lift in the world.
Just like that one in Georgia. If you haven't seen that, Google that.
It's horrific.
It's a little bit terrifying.
Horrific.
Anyway, we're at the top. It is Monday the 19th of March 2018 and you join us here in the beautiful resort of Flaine in the French Alps, and today I thought it'd be really interesting to decipher which is the better apartment, Helios or Deos. There's mixed feelings amongst the family at the moment which they prefer, but I thought it'd be interesting to weigh up the pros and cons of each apartment. Okay. Yeah?
Yeah.
Gives it some context. But before we do that, we're going to enjoy
Blue Sky Day,
which we weren't expecting to have, and there's also fresh snow, so
win-win.
Flaine always provides snow for us. Third year on the trot, epic snow. Ready? Stuck.
Complete wipeout.
Look at that view. Right, let's go and enjoy some white stuff like this guy's doing. Look at that.
Yeah.
Off
I'm
he's
going
gone.
for the red.
You're going for the red?
Yeah.
That way's England.
That's
Bonjour
so
tout le monde.
cool. That's so, look at these guys.
Amazing. Look at this.
This is the black. This is the unpasted black.
Right. Alright, now it's time to go out skiing with the family. Family, you go skiing. Bella's going to show me how to ski properly because she's technically better than me now.
She's going to teach me some things.
And Liv's going to do some skiing. How old do you Liv?
3.
You're 3. -2. Minus 2 to the locker room. Oh yes, this is also Helios lift shaft, which takes us all the way down, -2, to the boot room.
Welcome, welcome.
Do you open it then? Go on in. First family ski lift.
Yeah, 4 of us. 1, 2, 3,
4 of us.
This me and this you.
Yeah.
Mummy and Daddy.
Yeah. Mummy and Daddy. Yeah. And so concludes our day of fun on the snow. So to get back to today's topic, which was which is better, Helios or Deos? Let's run through it. Both of them have a swimming pool. Deos is outside, Helios is inside. Both of them have a steam room. Both of them have a jacuzzi. Both of them have a sauna. Wait, is it? I'm not sure if Deos has a sauna. Both of them you can order bread at reception. Banettes, baguettes, croissants, pain au chocolat, pain au raisin. Yeah, so that's the same. Both of them have ski in, ski out. Both of them have superior apartments which face the slopes and standard apartments which don't face the slopes, that face towards this way, looking up at the trees. So the superior ones always have the better view of the slopes. So in that regard, they're exactly the same. The only difference is Helios has a spa shop and a ski shop right underneath it, which is a massive factor because it's just so easy. We were having dinner and we ran out of bread. And I said, okay, I'll just go and get some. I was back in 2 minutes with 2 warm baguettes from the spa shop beneath us. So if we had to pick, I would go with Helios. But things to consider with Deos. Deos, the rooms are slightly bigger. So that's a bonus. In the kitchen in Deos, they have an oven, an actual oven which you can bake stuff in and cook a tartiflette, as Maria would very much like to do. So in Helios you have a kind of a clever oven which has a function that could do it, but is also pretty much a glorified microwave. So yes, if you want a better established kitchen, then maybe Deos. But both have an espresso machine. So in summary, they're both very, very similar, but Helios has a spa shop and a ski shop right beneath it, which makes it ultra convenient. So if ski in, ski out is available, that is pretty much the perfect apartment chalet, in my opinion. Okay, that pretty much concludes today's episode. If you've enjoyed this episode, give me a thumbs up. If you're new to this channel, consider subscribing, and I will see you in the next one.